Welcome to UltraShip in a Flash. In just 60 seconds, let's learn how to create an email marketing campaign in UltraShip. To get started, go to the main menu, scroll down to Marketing, and click on Campaign List. This will take you to a page where you can see all your previously created campaigns. Now to create a new campaign, click on Create Email Campaign at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Create Email Campaign page. Here you need to give your campaign a unique name. Enter the subject line for your email. Select the email ID from which the email will be sent. Enter your name or company name in the From Name box. Provide an email address where replies should be received. And finally, choose the template you've created for this campaign. Once you select the template, you will see the email content below. You can edit the content if needed and even attach files by clicking on Attach File. Once everything looks good, click Next. On the next page, you have the option to send a test email to yourself to check how the email appears. Once you're satisfied, select the subscriber list from the drop-down menu. After selecting the recipient list, simply click on Send Now and UltraShip will send your emails instantly. And that's how you can create an email marketing campaign in UltraShip.